Guys, today I have a chocolate truffle cake recipe for you all. If you've been craving for something chocolatey, you've come to the right place. For this recipe, we need a basic chocolate cake. You can check out my old recipe. I'm linking it in the description box below. Now we need 200 grams of compound chocolate to make the truffle sauce. You can use dark chocolate or you can mix milk chocolate and dark chocolate together. This we will be adding 100 grams of heavy whipping cream. You can use any brand that is available for you all. I'm using Tropolite today. Just add the cream to the chocolate. Microwave to make the truffle sauce today. You can use the double boiler method as well. For the microwave method, we need to put it in the microwave for 60 seconds with 20 seconds of interval. We'll start by putting it for 20 seconds. At this stage, it has just melted a little bit and we will mix it together to combine the two nicely. And then we will again put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. Make sure you do not put it in the microwave for more than 20 seconds at once. You might end up burning the chocolate sauce. And the third time it is going in the microwave for 20 seconds. At this stage, our chocolate sauce is almost done. You might feel that there are a few lumps, but because of the heat of the chocolate, they will melt. Just keep mixing it for 1 minute and it will be done. Do not put it in the microwave again. Creamy truffle sauce ready. Next, we will be making the simple sugar syrup. We need 3 tablespoons of room temperature water, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar and half teaspoon of powdered coffee. Mixing this mixture till the time the sugar and coffee dissolve nicely with water. Now take the cake and divide it into 2 equal parts. Make sure you use a sharp knife to do this and keep it parallel to the cake. Take the spatula and invert the cake on a plate. Put them in 2 different plates and soak it with the simple sugar syrup that we had made earlier. This will help us keep the cake moist. Make sure you do it on both the halves and do not forget to do it on the corners. If you overdo this, it will become soggy. Once done, we will get our piping bag ready. You can use any disposable piping bag or a regular one. Put it on a glass and make a collar. Now put the nozzle and get it to the bottom and place it nicely. And then put it again on the glass. Now we'll be adding the truffle sauce in the piping bag. Make sure the truffle sauce is at room temperature. Just cut the tip of the piping bag. Put the chocolate sauce all over. Just put it on one side and invert the other side and put it on top of the cake. Place it nicely so that it is even on all the sides and add chocolate sauce on top of this layer as well. Don't forget to do the sides. You can add as much as you like. The more chocolatey it is, the more yummy it will turn out to be. Now we'll just be adding it on the sides. With the help of a spatula or any knife, just cover it properly and try and make an even layer. And we will also do it on the sides. Keep turning it with one hand and keep moving it. Clean all the truffle sauce that has been dropped on the plate so that it looks clean. Now with the help of a piping bag, I will be putting the truffle sauce on the corner of the cakes. You can put any design that you like, and if you feel your chocolate sauce is a little flowy, just put it in the fridge and it will be good to go. I have just added a little bit of chocolate shavings. Now let's have a look from inside. I think it is a must try for any chocolate lover. Wow, doesn't it look amazing? If you like this recipe, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.